Now we've all been there. You turn down a tight laneway only to find there's no way through. And more often than not, getting in here was a lot easier than getting back out again. Until now. The all-new 3 Series features a reversing assistant that can retrace the last 50 metres you travelled backwards. Simply engage reverse, tap the button up here on the iDrive screen, you control the brake and the throttle, and the car does the rest. Cool, huh? You'll find it retraces a mirror image of the path that you took to get in there, perfect for tight laneways, tricky car spots, or simply impressing your friends. To find out even more about the all-new BMW 3 Series, make an appointment with the fantastic team here at Waverley BMW, take a test drive and discover for yourself why this is the best 3 Series ever.